HMC Works is your one-stop shop for all your industrial roofing requirements. HMC Roofs, we understand that your roof is more than just shelter, it's the first line of defense for your business. Our team is trained and backed by over a decade of experience in industrial roof repairs and maintenance. The correct waterproofing plays a crucial role in protecting the life of buildings. There is no alternative to quality products, efficient workmanship, and a contractor you can trust. We offer a process which is designed to stop water before it has a chance to enter the structure and cause damage. With years of experience and proven track record of delivering high-quality service, we are dedicated to providing tailored solutions that meet the unique needs of every one of our clients. HMC Works is your one-stop shop for all your industrial roofing requirements.